Now let's look what no code can do for test coverage. So our product for no code is called Applitools Autonomous. With Autonomous, you can do test authoring in a few ways. One, there's a fully autonomous sort of web crawler that will go and scan your site, and it will take snapshots of every page on your site, and it'll do sort of the same thing that eyes can do, where we can render it across multiple screen sizes, even though we've taken it on one screen size. We've got this codeless recorder that allows you to point, click, do whatever you want to do on the screen, fill out text, add things like hovers, scrolls, all of that, and it translates them into plain English using an NLP test builder. So almost everything that you're doing with your coded tests today, you can do with Autonomous through a no-code interface. And those validations, obviously functional testing, visual testing, and API testing. So the infrastructure that we use for eyes, for execution, and for cross-browser and device testing is built into Autonomous. So you can do parallel execution across multiple browsers, multiple devices, multiple screen sizes. So those tests execute very, very quickly.